Hi mga kabahay, I'm Agent J from MFR Real Estate Corporation and in-house lead broker of Philippine Basland. Today, I'm in Amarillo Crest, Habila Township in Taytay, Rizal. Tara, drive tour and walk tour tayo and updates na rin for January 2025.
So let's begin our walk tour mga kabahay sa main entrance ng Amarillo Crest along Havila Link Road. On my left is the Central Park of Havila Township. Right now, I'm in Phase 1B and we are walking along Amarillo Crest Drive. And yung nakikita niyong bahay, ayan po yung Iris with improvements na ng owner. So if you notice mga kabahay, yung road natin is very wide, very clean, and yung ambience niya talaga is very peaceful. On my right, yan po is tulip model with improvements. Di ba? Ang ganda po. And not very far from the main entrance are the house model for viewing. Yung Vivaldi, Chopin, Tulip, and yung Iris model. Kung saan yung dalawa po is now for sale na. These two units na available, yung Vivaldi and yung Chopin model, are all fully refurbished and interior designed because it's our house model for viewing dati. Puntahan natin yung residential lot na available sa Phase 1B located at Block 3, Lot 3. Lot area is 319 square meter. So yan po yung nakikita nyo ngayon. So cul-de-sac lot po yan and it's facing west. Ang terrain is flat and it's very near the main gate and the Central Park. And ito po yung view from the lot.
So let's continue our drive tour mga kabahay. Puntahan natin yung available na reopen residential lot only in Block 12. And yung isa sa mga available is located in Block 12. So nandito po banda ituturo ko.
And ang available sa Block 12 ay nasa Lot 12. So puntahan natin. So yung available mga kabahay, ang lot area is around 247 square meter. It's facing east and with overlooking view of Metro Manila skyline and ang terrain is downhill.
And yung second available reopen residential lot in Block 12 is located in Lot 5.
And now puntahan natin yung second available reopen lot in Block 12. Located in Lot 5, ang lot area is 246 square meter. It's facing southwest, overlooking Metro Manila skyline, and ang terrain is uphill. So yan po yung nakikita nyo. Yan na po ang available. And ito naman po ang pinaka view niya sa harap. And now puntahan natin yung available na residential lot only in Block 11, Lot 3. Ang lot area is 328 square meter. It's a corner lot. Ang terrain is downhill and with overlooking view of Metro Manila skyline.
Puntahan pa natin yung ibang available na reopen residential lot in Amarillo Crest.
And now puntahan natin yung reopen lots located in Block 13, Lot 11, and Lot 14. Very prime ang location ng two lots na to. So tara, i-check natin.
I'm in Block 13 mga kabahay and ang available dito is nasa Lot 14 and Lot 11. Tara, puntahan natin ang Lot 11.
So tara mga kabahay, puntahan natin yung Lot 11. So yan, nasa tapat na po tayo. So yung lot area mga kabahay is around 219 square meter. It's facing southwest, moderately downhill ang terrain, regular cut, and overlooking skyline. And now puntahan natin yung lot 14. So this is lot 14 mga kabahay. Ang lot area is 296 square meter. It's facing west. It's a corner lot and overlooking Metro Manila skyline. And the last reopened lot on our list is located in Block 15, Lot 10. Ang lot area is 393 square meter. It's a perimeter lot. Ang terrain is downhill, it's facing east, and ito po yung pinaka-view niya from the front. For more details and site viewing assistance, please contact Agent J at 0929-705-6363. Thank you for watching. God bless and bye!